All right, fellas, we are outside of the hotel. We're in I think the Grand Hyatt in Hoover, Alabama, in our hotel. Just got done with a fabulous meal. If you're ever in Hoover, one must eat at Saw's Barbecue. That chicken sandwich was the business. And then my friend had like chicken and greens, which was awesome, like pulled chicken on cheese grits, and yeah, it's the business. It was really good. So we're kind of out in the parking lot. There's a lot of other fellow hot rodders here, you know, that so we're gonna kind of check out some of the rides and kind of see what we got here. You know, typical Challenger, but this one's pretty cool. This is an older BMW. I think it's a 325 or a 328 IS 328 25 or 28? 25 IS. Yeah, this thing's pretty trick. I like it. I like it. So, tell the lovely people, how was your meal, Etoy?
Excellent.
That meal at Saw's Barbecue, excellent. Give him 2 thumbs up, 5 stars, all that good stuff. Excellent, excellent. Typical Mustangs. This Saline 302. Dodge RT truck, that's pretty cool. The Big Easy Mopar, that was pretty cool. The Plymouth. Another Mustang. This is pretty cool. Underneath that cover we talked to him, that's a 59 Apache. That's pretty cool. And this other guy we talked to, he's driving this 69 Orange SS. That's pretty trick. Of course, there's my 21 Shelby. Like I said, we wanted to bring the 71 Camaro because of my channel, but I was having a little bit of kind of some high idle issues, so I had to take it over to the tune shop because there's only so much I can do in the garage, and we kind of had to hook it up to the laptop and kind of figure out what it was, get a second set of eyes on it. So we determined that the EFI wasn't communicating fully and effectively with the MSD, so we kind of switched. I had to put a different distributor in. I did a Hyper Spark and stuff, so now the Sniper can control everything and retard the timing, and I won't have a ramp up idle and stuff like that. But for the most part, maybe I'll hit it another car show this year. We'll be at the Good Guys. I'll be at the Good Guys here in July in Columbus. Other than that, the rest of this kind of run of the mill. I know there's some other nicer cars in the back. We haven't been there yet. This is, you know, a 2000 something Ford Lightning. Looks stockish, but there's a lot of nice cars still cruising and driving and stuff. But yeah, Alabama not bad, other than it's muggy and it was hot as crap at the venue today. So tomorrow we take off and we head to Pensacola, Florida. So there we are at the Grand Hyatt place. So I'll try and get more cars as we head along, get some more road footage and stuff. So I'll check you guys later. Backlot cars. This one's pretty nice. We saw this at the car show and didn't really get to check out, but it's pretty darn slick. Pretty nice. Ford Falcon, Bronco. How you doing, fellas? Nice older vat, new vat, older vat. Nice Z06, GT350. Oh, this guy's out here working on his. Yeah, we ran into this guy the other day. He's got a 64 Chevy 2 Nova. Pretty nice. This looks like a wide body Hellcat red eye. Car just pulling in. It's pretty darn sweet. Pretty darn sweet. don't know if that's a Chrysler. That's pretty sweet. Another Chevy C10. Oh yeah, these short SWB, short wide box. These are things that are nasty. I love C10s. They've skyrocketed in value. Lots of stuff. Mustang convertible back there. Lots of cool stuff. AMX, AMC, lots of cool stuff. So, few hot rodders here. So we're doing good. We're doing good. Everybody helps out everybody working on their cars and stuff. All right, fellas, I'll hit you get more cars here soon.